All right, guys, I'm going to demo a few things here. I'll do another cold start. I have just a cold start video as well. I'll demo the windows, show you that they all work, up and down, and then sunroof as well, and then the AC. So here we go. So there you go. All right. Passenger side. Now the one touch fully up and down work on this. A right rear. Driver's side. Left rear. All right, the sunroof. And the tip. And then the shade. All right, I'll show you the AC. Let's zoom in a little bit. All right, what's it reading? About 80 right now. AC's off. Starting to get cold. While we're waiting for that, the radio does work. The cassette player does work. I don't have a tape right now though to demonstrate that. The CD player changer does not work. Prior owner said it stopped on him, so it might be something simple, but the cartridge is there and all that. It looks all good and complete. There's the old school radio, kind of cool to have that. A little nostalgic. Here's the AC, and it's getting there. It's about 80 degrees today, so it's pretty warm in the car. I'll wait a little bit longer. So, there you go. Let's get down. What is it, about 60? Yeah. So it'll get colder too. It may need a little charge, but bottom line, it works. It's all good there. And so I think we're kind of up to temp. Everything looks good. See, what else can I demonstrate? I think I've demonstrated everything. So that is it. Good luck with the bidding. Thanks for watching.